What's up guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I will show you how you can beat the final boss in Kingdom 2 Crowns Call of the Olympus DLC. Also, just quickly before we get started, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. So let's get started. So once you're here, you just need to repair all these broken statues. And while you do so, this giant greed will throw rocks at you, and sometimes they will have little greedlings inside them. Also, when he throws the rock, try to stand near these pots because they contain coins, and the little greed will take these coins instead of attacking you. So once you repair all the statues, after a few moments they will start channeling these golden sparks, and all you need to do is go back to the largest statue and stand below it. So similarly to the Kingdom Northlands DLC, you would need to get the crown in the hands of these statues. But you don't do that by getting your crown knocked over by the greedlings into that statue. You do it by just going to the statue and pressing your S key or the bottom arrow key, aka whichever key you use to place gold into the statues or to upgrade your village. So once you press and hold that key, your crown will go to the hands of the statues and you will defeat the final boss. So that's how you beat the Kingdom 2 Crowns Call of the Olympus DLC. Again, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Also, if you want to support the channel further, you can check out my Buy Me a Coffee link in the description below. Thank you for watching.